In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a DHgate affiliate so you can promote different products on DHgate and then get a commission when people buy them. So DHgate have so many products all from China and they're at a very cheap price. And what you can do is you can promote these specific products as an affiliate. So to sign up for the affiliate program, you want to first go to their affiliate page. Now in some websites, you can scroll down to the bottom and you will see their affiliate program. And here you can see DHgate is no different. So go to partnership and affiliate program, and that will take you to their DHgate page. Now you're going to need a DHgate account, so make sure you've created an account. If you haven't created one, then you can just scroll down here and click get started now. You can go ahead and create one and agree to these terms and then create an account. So once you've verified that you're not a robot, they're going to ask you for a verification code. So I'm going to find my verification code now and then I'll enter it. Okay, so here's the email from DHgate. What I'm going to do is copy this verification code. Then I'm going to go back and just enter this in and then click next. That's going to then verify my email address. And now what we can do is go ahead and click here where it says enter workplace. And it's going to tell you here that we are activating to become an affiliate. The affiliate program is a platform for everyone and we can promote products and earn a commission. So agree to these terms and then activate for free. Once you've done that, you then need to enter in some media and some information about yourself. Now you can apply here with a YouTube channel, a Twitter profile, TikTok, it doesn't matter. You don't need a website, you can use social media. For me though, what I'm going to do is apply with KnowledgeBase. So here I am on KnowledgeBase, which is my YouTube channel. I'm just going to copy the link to KnowledgeBase and we'll paste it in here. So we'll choose YouTube. Number of followers, we're on 65,000. So type in here 65,000. Title for me is KnowledgeBase and we're going to paste in the URL here. Contact, you don't need to enter that. You do need to enter tags, however, and I'm going to put here media company and other and social media influencer. Now again, enter whatever content you have, whether that's just a Twitter account with some media on it or a TikTok page or a YouTube channel. Make sure there's some content on it and the content is half decent. Then click save, and once you've added your media, you can then start to promote these products. So if you go to products on the left, you can go ahead and find different products here. So go to all products, and here you can type in a keyword. So let's say I want to promote phone case. So I will type in phone case, click search, and we're going to then see all of these different phone cases we can promote. And it's also going to tell you the commission as well. So if we promote this designer phone case for $18, we're going to earn $1.47 in commission. We can then click get link, and you can choose the media source that you're going to promote it on. That's going to be the media source you added. You've got your tracking source here, which means you can track your link and where you put it and where sales come from. Choose short link, click generate, and this link right here is going to redirect to that product. Let's just open copy link and open this in an incognito window. There you can see it goes to that product, and if someone was to buy it, we would earn the commission. So that's how you can sign up and then get the links to promote DHgate products.